Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can make your TikTok account private to public. Now for that, first of all, you need to open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Tap open the app. Once you open the app, you need to go to your profile section. So for that, click on profile on the bottom right corner. Then there you need to click on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner of your screen. Inside account, you need to click on privacy on the second. There on the privacy, you can see on the very top the private account. With a private account, only your users or the person who follow you will be able to watch your videos. So now if you want to make it to the public account, you just tap on the toddler. With this, you will be asked whether you want to change it to your public account. Once you change it public, anyone on TikTok will be able to see your videos, that is your content, and like and comment on your post. So if you are sure that you want to change it to the public, you can click on confirm. This way, the toddler will move to the left side by changing color and your account will be moved from private to the public. This is how you can easily make your TikTok account private to public. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.